Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to download Facebook Reels. Facebook Reels are like Instagram Reels, which allows you to download short videos. Unfortunately, Facebook does not have a direct way of downloading Reels, but in this step-by-step tutorial, you will find out how to do it easily, quickly, and for free. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to share my screen so you can see what it is that I am doing and where to go. So let's go ahead and find out. You're going to log into Facebook, and we're going to go to Facebook. And when you get to Facebook, you want to be able to find a reel that you like. So let me show you how to do that. I'm going to go to Facebook on my computer. And you see here at the top of the screen, it says Stories and Reels. You want to make sure you're clicking Reels. And now all the reels that you might be interested in downloading show up. For instance, there's a makeup tutorial you might be interested in downloading to your computer. The benefit, of course, is you can watch offline for free at any time. I went through, I scrolled to the right. You want to hit this arrow to find one that interests you. And I did. I am a big Dodger fan. And so I found a Dodger reel that I want to download to my computer. So once you find the reel that interests you, you want to go ahead and click the three dots right here. And you want the link. You want to click where it says copy link. So once I have done that, I'm going to go to a third-party tool that will enable me to download that reel to my computer. And so I recommend FDownloader. FDownloader is a free, easy-to-use Facebook video downloader. You see up here, it allows you to download Facebook Reels, which is the goal of this video. You're going to copy that link, and you're going to paste it right here where it says enter the Facebook video link here. And then it says download. So you're going to go ahead and click download. And bam, it will immediately retrieve the video from Facebook. And as you see, it is already downloading into my device. What if you don't want the video, which is MP4 format? You can choose just the audio, which is MP3. Once you have made your selection, go ahead and click download. And that's all there is to it. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. Be sure to subscribe and share so that you can get notified of more social media and technology tips. Thank you for watching.